Do you like making ornaments for Christmas and decorating your house as much as I do? I find it so much fun. And so this is a workshop where we're going to make a Christmas tree. Notice the tree looks a little differently than what we're used to Christmas trees looking like, but I kind of like the branches like this. And I'm going to show you how to make two different color trees, very subtly different. This one I call evergreen, and this one I call blue spruce because some of the branches are a little more on the bluish side. And then we are going to put presents around the tree, and we're going to put bows on the presents, and then we're going to decorate the trees. And you come up with some very exciting ideas. The other thing is the way that we're going to put these trees on the background and actually construct the background is a very different way than you have done it before, and that's going to be fun. Yes, these are raw edge applique, but I do them in a way that you have probably not done before. This is a really fun workshop, and I'm sure you will enjoy it.